Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about private chocolate making workshop at Neuhaus, Brussels. The workshop was for 1 hour and they usually take group of up to 8 people. But we took a private session. This is Neuhaus workshop from outside. Meet our instructor. This is Emily. Wonderful instructor, I must say. She was very polite and amazingly funny. She gave us an apron and took planche and started the session with her introduction.
Anita, nice to meet you, Anita.
She showed us different types of chocolates and told us the Neuhaus history. So I'll tell you a little bit. Neuhaus is one of the oldest chocolate shops in Brussels. Jean Neuhaus started his chocolate shop in 1857 as a pharmacy that sold chocolate-covered medicines. Yes, you heard me right. Chocolate-covered medicines to his customers. Isn't it that interesting? Wow. Did you ever taste the chocolatey medicines? I never. But it's a good concept, I must say that. This is cocoa butter. Cocoa beans. Cocoa beans naturally has a 50% of cocoa powder and cocoa butter. So to make dark chocolates, they use cocoa butter, add sugar in it and beans. This is milk chocolate. They also gave us some chocolates to taste so that we can decide that which flavor we want. So we tasted 76%, 50% and 42% of dark chocolates. These are the toppings. They have cherries, almonds, walnuts, etc. A lot of things are here. It's a chocolate making machine. So in this machine, they put solid chocolate and chocolate chips and so that they can get melted and you can use them. The first one from left to right is 52% and second one is 42% of dark chocolate. The temperature, she told us, is very important thing and currently it is at 31 degrees Celsius. She also told us that storage is also an important thing here. So make sure that whenever you're making chocolate, you always take care of temperature and the storage. Wow, here is my mother making yummy chocolates. And by the way, whatever chocolates you make, you can take them home. And trust me, this 1 hour was a wonderful experience. I really enjoyed it. I would say that you must try whenever you come to Brussels. You should not miss it. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel if you really like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.